Most attendance and access control systems still depend on things that are easy to share, forget, or manipulate. Cards, pins, fingerprint devices with expensive hardware, and closed systems that lock you into a single vendor. That creates friction for employees and uncertainty for companies. ClockInFace was built to solve exactly that. It's a browser-based face recognition platform designed for attendance control, access validation, and identity verification. Simple to deploy, easy to integrate, and flexible enough for both technical teams and companies that simply want a reliable biometric solution. No special hardware required, no complicated installations, no vendor lock-in, just a device with a browser, a webcam, and internet access. With ClockInFace, you can run recognition through a ready-to-use biometric interface or connect directly to the API if you want to integrate it into your own systems. You also get real-time reports, event history, exportable recognition logs, and webhooks to trigger actions instantly inside your existing workflows. Getting started is simple. First, create your account and sign into the backend using your email, or continue instantly with Google. In just a few seconds, you'll have access to the full platform and can begin setting up your biometric attendance system. Once inside, go to Management, then Persons, and click Add Person. This is where you define identities, the people your system will recognize. Register each person and add face captures directly from the webcam. The more high-quality face captures you add, the better the recognition accuracy becomes, helping the system perform more reliably in real-world conditions. After enrollment, you can immediately test everything. Go to Playground, then Recognition, and try recognition in real time. This allows you to validate enrollment quality, confirm recognition accuracy, and make adjustments before launching the system in production. Now you can start capturing real recognition events in two different ways. The first option is using the Biometric UI. Go to Management, then Biometric UIs, and create a new interface. Start by defining the main parameters: how recognition works, access behavior, validation rules, and the overall interaction flow. This is where your biometric experience begins. Next, you can fully customize the experience. Adjust dimensions, borders, glow effects, colors, and the complete visual style to match your company branding or your device setup. Whether it's a corporate kiosk, a front desk check-in point, or an employee entrance, the interface can look exactly the way you need it to. Once everything is ready, simply click Run. Now you can launch that biometric interface on any device with a browser, webcam, and internet connection. A tablet at your entrance, a kiosk in your facility, a laptop at reception, or any check-in station can instantly become your attendance terminal. Simple, flexible, and ready to use. The second option is through API endpoints. If your company already has internal systems, you can send recognition requests directly through the API and integrate ClockInFace into your own workflows, applications, access control systems, or HR platforms. This gives technical teams full flexibility without forcing changes to existing operations. Every recognition event is stored automatically. You can review everything inside management, then face recognitions, where reports can be filtered, analyzed, and exported. This gives operations, HR teams, and administrators full visibility over attendance activity and recognition history. And if your business depends on real-time automation, ClockInFace goes even further. You can define webhooks so every successful recognition instantly triggers actions in your existing systems. Attendance updates, notifications, access approvals, payroll processes, or any external platform you already use can react automatically, without manual intervention. ClockInFace is built for companies that want reliability without complexity. Whether you need a ready-to-use attendance station or a full developer-friendly face recognition backend, the platform adapts to your operation. You can start today with the free tier and see how quickly face recognition can become part of your daily workflow. Visit ClockInFace and launch your biometric attendance system in minutes.